I'm John from Sinister Industries. I want to show you guys the difference between metal, fiberglass, and our urethane-based polymer. Some people are claiming that there's better additives for the fiberglass. Fiberglass has been around forever. It'll get the job done, but times have changed, just like hairstyles and better products. I'll show you the metal first, real quick here. It won't take long. That's what happens with the metal. This is a fiberglass made out of the best. It's all hand laid, super strong. I'm going to show you what happens with this. I mean, you can see that it's came apart. It'll work, but now I'm going to show you our fit. Let me see if I can hit it this way. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with it. Virtually indestructible. Fiberglass, garbage, and the metal. So, just so you know, Sinister Industries.